First, we upgraded the skin texture, so our avatars look photoreal, even in close-up. Then we fixed the motion. No more loops, just smooth, natural movements. And finally, we tackled the voice. Now every avatar sounds human, not like a robot.
I didn't expect it to be this good. Wow, I didn't expect it to be this good. My new voice is awesome.
I am a puppet for anyone who can afford me.
Nope.
I am your new best friend.
She's lying.
Beat it, boys. You bother me.
It's already exploding. As we speak, as this video is being made, as you are watching this video, there are already kids out there making tens of thousands of dollars a month with AI OFM.
See these images and videos on the screen right now? What if I told you these aren't real and they're making tens of thousands of dollars a month online with fake AI personalities? Yes, welcome to the world of AI OnlyFans, where people are sat in their basement, probably 50 pounds overweight, sweating, creating these sexy young girl characters and making viral OnlyFans accounts. The pink hair, the trending characteristics, the pretty face, but it's not real.
Fit Aitana makes like $4,000 a month via posting on Instagram.
New artificial intelligence startup Forever Voices AI has teamed up with social media influencer Karen Marjorie to develop a virtual girlfriend.
People think this girl Naya isn't real. It's AI. Well, that flawless dark complexion, pure art. She went viral overnight and people couldn't get enough. Naya isn't real. She's pure AI, a digital masterpiece.